Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to send messages or documents by Gmail more than 25 megabyte. Just follow the procedure. I will go Gmail apps to mail my friends. Now select compose. I am typing the address of my friends. Now attached file. This is more than 25 megabyte. That means the video is more than 10 minutes. Your file is larger than 25 megabyte. This will be sent as a Google Drive link. This is 36.1 megabyte. I can send the video or document by supporting Google Drive. So it proves that more than 25 megabyte can be sent by Gmail. Now press send. Who can access the video? I will select allow anyone with the link to view. Now select send. Message send. That's it.